how to fix Canva not opening on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Canva not opening on Android phone. First open settings and then go to apps and then apps again, and here type Canva and click on it, and once you're here now click force stop and then storage and clear data, or you can just clear cache and then go and try. If that doesn't fix your problem, then clear data and click OK, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store and then type here Canva. Click on it and then check if there's an update, and then just update it, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.